He hit me in the stomach! Oh, God! Oh. Why are you hitting me? No! Don't hitting me! No hitting me! I'm the camera guy. Hit someone.
I don't know who's who. No!
Hit someone else. There's Ginger. Where is he?
Are you filming? Are
Yeah.
you filming? Are you filming?
Yeah.
You filming?
Wait. I did not do it. I did not throw that.
Ethan, I just told you to quit throwing things. Quit taping things!
No, I'm making a series on YouTube. Whether you like it or not, I'm throwing a series.
Stop. I'm just getting this office. Is that where you work now? That's where whenever I see you in uniform, that's what you're doing.
Let's go. Don't throw.
You see, we got the Secret
You messed
Service
up.
that take care of the president.
We should get the dogs to attack him. Okay, I'm not gonna hit you or anything. I have nothing to throw at you.
Stop taping.
Are you gonna stop taping? He's overreacting just a little bit.
Just about this much. This much. He's overacting about this much. Just a little bit.
Why did you just hit him? No, don't hit me. I can't be hit.